Live in a similar growing zone to us here in the southern Gulf Islands off the southwest coast of British Columbia. You may want to try a Jubaea chilensis palm in your garden. Common name is Chilean wine palm. That one was planted in 1999 here on our island, and it's starting to develop a bit of a smooth trunk at the bottom now. It's a pretty good sized palm. They grow very big. Takes a long time before they ever flower and set seed though. Slow growers, especially when they're young, and very frost tolerant, and works well in this climate here. They are a long-term zone 9 plant, and in any other zones you probably want to put it in a more sheltered position. It's a beautiful palm. It's got the fronds on it, sort of like a date palm, except it doesn't have the spines up the fronds, and they do get like a massive trunk that will grow easily 50 feet tall. And it grows very well with Trachycarpus fortunais. This is growing in the town of Ganges. It's actually the village of Ganges here on Salt Spring Island. And there is another Jubaea nearby in town, and just actually not very far from this one actually, and it's doing very well. Also, it was planted about 10 or 11 years ago, and they receive no winter protection in this part of Canada. So if you can find one, try it. They're very difficult to find, and very costly too. Young plants are very costly, but well worth it. I grew mine from seed, and it's doing very well in our garden here on the north end of Salt Spring Island. So try it, folks. You'll like it if you want a nice, cold, tolerant, tropical looking palm tree for your garden in the temperate zone. Cheers from Salt Spring Island, British Columbia, Canada, and happy palm growing.